A fatal accident at Mukhla in the Jaintia Hills claimed the life of a toddler and left the mother critically injured after a speeding truck bearing registration number UP76T1960 collided with an eco van having registration number ML04E0731 and two other vehicles. The impact extended beyond the vehicles involved as the woman and her child who were walking along the roadside were caught in the crash. The child, aged under 2 years, died instantly while the mother sustained serious injuries and is undergoing treatment in the intensive care unit. The collision led to massive congestion on the route, with traffic movement disrupted for several hours until the road was cleared. Police have registered a case and initiated an investigation into the circumstances leading to the mishap.
Cái